Today I'm learning how to make a Peruvian style chicken. I'm learning how to make a Peruvian style chicken with my friend Colin. He's away at the cottage, so he has sent me a video and we're going to be making this via me watching the video and then trying the recipe for you, and hopefully everything goes really well. This is what we're going to be doing. I'm going to watch the video from my friend Colin, who has sent a video of this recipe that he has made, this amazing Peruvian recipe. I will go over the ingredients and then I will myself do the recipe and then share that with you, and we'll do a side-by-side, so you really want to stick around for the end. Also, at the end I will be revealing the country that I'll be doing next. If this is your first time visiting my channel, thank you, and please don't forget to click the subscription button below.
Hi, I'm at the cottage here and we're going to make Peruvian style chicken. So I'll just run over the ingredients here. Got the chicken there, some palate spice there, lime, garlic, jalapeno, and cucumber, and red and white quinoa. You're going to mix up the jalapeno sauce and add about half of the lime juice and mix that all in as well.
Now that we've seen Colin's recipe, it's now my turn to actually make it. And so what I'm doing is organizing all my ingredients as you see outlined here. And again, please remember that I will be posting all the ingredients in the description box. So to start, first we'll cook the chicken in a medium pan. You essentially just heat a little bit of olive oil on medium, and in this case I'm using chicken thighs. I make sure that it's cleaned properly, washed with lemon juice, and then I will add a little bit of salt and pepper and a little bit of additional seasoning, so whatever that is, if it's an Italian seasoning or whatever seasoning that you used to use normally when you make your dishes. While the chicken is cooking, we have the jalapeno. Discard the stem, the ribs and the seeds, finely chopped. Also, please make sure you wash your hands and cutting board, as you don't want this pepper to get into your eyes. It's very spicy, it's very hot. You want to dice the cucumber, juice the lemon or lime. For the sauce, you roughly chop the cilantro leaves and stems in a medium bowl, and you combine your mayo, a little bit of water, some olive oil, maybe a tablespoon of olive oil, and you mix this together. You can add as much garlic as you want, and then you also combine your jalapeno with this as well, and then you mix everything together in a paste, and you can taste it. And if you need a little bit more salt and pepper, you can go ahead and add that as well. For the quinoa, I basically bought a prepackaged quinoa and I followed the directions. It takes about 10 to 12 minutes to prepare on the stovetop, and once that's prepared, you put that aside in a bowl. After your quinoa is finished, you transfer it to a bowl. You add all your greens, your cucumbers, or whatever greens you decide to use. In my case, I use kale. You add cucumber, as much of the remaining lime juice as you'd like, and about a tablespoon of olive oil. And you can also add a little bit more seasoning if you like, as well as a little bit of salt and pepper. Once you finish this, you can put it aside, and then you essentially plate the chicken over this. You get a plate, you put your quinoa at the bottom of the plate, you add your chicken on top, and then you can just drizzle the sauce, the jalapeno sauce, on top and garnish it with the remainder of cilantro. You do leave some of the cilantro at the end, so you can add this on top. Now we're finished and we can actually do the side-by-side reveal, and here we go. This is Colin's, and this is my version of the Peruvian chicken. I think what I really like about this recipe is that although there were a lot of ingredients in it, it's pretty easy to make, as well as the flavors and the spices were not overpowering. So the end result was that it was just really delicious. Everything came together really nicely. So it's definitely one of those recipes that I'll be making again, and I hope you try it too. Let me know what you think, and let me know if you enjoyed this recipe. I know it was a different way of presenting the video because my friend was away, as I said, and he sent the video, but hopefully you did learn a lot from this recipe. And I would love for you to come back next Monday when I will be presenting an Italian homemade arugula pizza. It's something that I love. Well, I don't eat a lot of pizza, but I do love a really good pizza. And so when I got this recipe and decided to try it, it's actually become one of my favorites. So that's it. Thank you so much again for watching. Again, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please don't forget before you go to click the subscription button below. And I really look forward to seeing you again next week. So that's it, everyone. Thank you again. Ciao.